This is the most endangered sea turtle on Earth. Kemp's Ridley. For thousands of years, it returned to the same beach to nest. Then, in a single century, its numbers collapsed. Fishing nets, coastal developments, human speed. At its lowest point, fewer than 1,000 nesting females remained. Conservation pulled it back from the edge. But recovery is fragile. This species survived ice ages, but almost didn't survive us. If one small change nearly erased an ancient life, what else are we pushing towards disappearance? Please like and subscribe for our next episode.